Hey guys, how are you? It's been forever. I've been super busy. Also, I've been sick and yeah, super busy. I hope everyone had an awesome summer. Even though I haven't been uploading videos, I never intended on stopping and I did record quite a few. So I'm probably not going to upload all of them, but I am going to start off with this one. It is an unboxing of succulents and cacti from growsomething.ca that I shot back in August. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. So there are 7 plants here. 4 are succulents. Actually, that's not true. They're all succulents, but 3 are cacti and the rest are other succulents. I was a little apprehensive to order cacti in the mail again after what happened in June. If this is the first time you're watching my channel, hi. I'll put a link up above to where I actually talk about what happened so I don't bore everyone again. But I decided anyways to just order one, and then the next day I just could not stop thinking about the other 2. So I messaged the lady from growsomething.ca back, and she was happy enough to combine 2 orders into one. So yeah, now there's 3 cacti and 4 succulents, or 7 succulents, depending on what you want to say. I think I'm going to do them one at a time. I tried to figure out which one was the cactus or the cacti and which ones weren't, but I don't know if I was correct or not. So I think this one might be, but we could always be wrong. Yes. Okay, so I was right. So this is Opuntia monacantha. That did not come out right. Opuntia monacantha variegata. I think I said that right. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, I can't even. Oh, it's so adorable. This is one of the ones that I just couldn't stop thinking about, that I had to write her back about. Oh, hello, buddy. Hi. I'm gonna show pictures afterwards so you guys can get a close look of what all the plants look like. I set up for this video earlier and then the lighting changed. So great root system, that's amazing. Sometimes when you get them in the mail being bare rooted, you know, it's not such a great root system. So I'm just going to put this one into new TV. Okay, so I'm just gonna move this little baby. And I have a bin right beside me here that I'm gonna place the plants into. And then this, put in the recycling. Okay, so now we have one of those ones out of the way, so I have no idea. I'm just gonna go for it. You guys can't see because I'm super zoomed in, but Richard is here. He is actually wanting to be in the video, but he's sniffing the plants. Okay, I thought the zoomed in version would be better for you guys to see. Okay, so this is one of the plants that was part of my first order, and it's a Crassula mucosa. It actually has another name as well, but it's harder to pronounce, so we're gonna go with that one. Also known as the watch-tailed Crassula. And wow, this is a huge piece. I've seen this in the store, and I never saw one that looked like healthy at all ever. And I've wanted it for so long. And this is way bigger than I was expecting. Usually when I order from this site, they're quite small plants. They're just little guys. They're full plants, but this is quite a bit more than I was expecting. Wow. Oh my gosh. It's so tiny. I hope I didn't just put my face into the frame. The leaves on this Crassula are so tiny. It's another micro Crassula. This one and the one I have in the other room. Oh, Rick, be careful, buddy. He is right beside, so if the camera falls, it's definitely Rick's fault. Oh, Rick is chasing his mouse. You guys see that? I don't actually have the camera facing me, so it's a little bit hard to do this. Beautiful. Wonderful condition. What? Okay, oh my gosh, awesome. This is Rhipsalis prismatica, and I ordered 2 cuttings because it said they were 1-inch cuttings. So I must have my inches sort of, there's more than, okay, wow, guys, that's amazing. Oh my gosh, so that's a wonderful price. I'll put the price down on the bottom for how much I paid for these, but that's so cool. So there's actually 3, and they are much larger than 1 inches, and 1 is huge. So I'm just going to bring, oh my gosh. I've recently fallen in love with Rhipsalis cacti. I love them so much. There we go. Again, another plant that I cannot believe I didn't have. For all of the Crassulas that I have, Rick, he's bringing me his mouse. Can you guys see this? He's actually bringing me his mouse while I'm trying to film. He is that cute. You want me to throw it for you, buddy? He brings it back just like a dog, but only that mouse. This is a Crosby's compact, or Crassula compacta, dwarf Crassula. So it's a jade plant, basically, a miniature jade plant. The leaves are smaller, and I love jade plants. I have quite a few of them and quite a few varieties, and I never had this one. So it already has it's branching already, and this is a decent sized plant, guys. Amazing. I can't say enough how pleased I always am with my orders from growsomething.ca. Amazing. Good roots on that one too. I'm really not sure which one this one could be. That's kind of weird because I do know every plant I have here, but this is kind of a mystery. Or is it the cat? Oh, okay, it's my other cactus. That was not at all what I was expecting. I was expecting something very different, because Opuntias are usually like round, sort of, but it has tons of new growths. Like, oh, I couldn't even count the amount of new growths coming off of this. So that's amazing. So, oh, I don't know if I said that, but oh, I screwed that up. Okay, so I totally screwed up the names of the plants. This is Opuntia, monacantha, variegata. The other one was wrong, so that's gonna be fun editing. And yeah, wow, it really is variegated. And so, I don't want to break any of those little babies off. They're so tiny. Great roots. Can you see there? There's no surprise anymore. I know exactly which one is which one at this point. Are you ready, Rick? Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Okay, so this is Ficaria tuberculosa variegated. So Ficaria tuberculosa variegated. So basically it's a tiger jaws succulent that is variegated. There's a bunch of different types. This one is sometimes called the pebbled version or the knobby version. Something like that, knobby, I don't know, something like that. So it does still have the white markings and it has the variegation. Oh, okay, this is my favorite so far, I think. Isn't it adorable? It's so adorable. Oh my gosh. My last one is called Baby Jaws Claws for some reason. Oh, and it has one about to open. Oh, it's just precious. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. There you go, little baby. Oh, it's so cute. Okay. So there's one left, and I will absolutely butcher the name, so I will put it down below. It's a Greenovia, I can say that, but the actual name was a bit, I don't know. It might take a few tries. And yeah, Pink Mountain Rose. I guess I just ruined the surprise. That was stupid. There goes the surprise. Right out the window. Okay, so I have no idea like what stage this is going to be in right now. Okay, wow. Very, very beautiful. There are a few bottom leaves that do have some browning. I think, and I hope, that is just due to it being an aeonium, and aeoniums in the male don't really do that well. So I will check that. Definitely gonna put this one aside from the others. Not that I think there's a fungal issue or anything, but just so I can further check it. It's still quite compact. So I would say then pretty dormant in more of its summer stage, I would think. This is my first time I've ever had one, so I have done some research, but I think as with anything, you have to own one first, and it's really, you can't really learn it and know the plant until you've owned the plant. All right. So pretty. So that's what I've been doing. I've just been putting them in a bin there just with the paper towel until I can check them over just for their health and for bugs. Just a little bit of separation. And then up here I put some of the other ones that I just wanted to put up here. So we have the beautiful prismatica Rhipsalis, the Ficaria, so beautiful. One more time. There it is. And a watch chain. So that wraps up my succulent unboxing from growsomething.ca. I couldn't recommend this place more if you're in Canada and looking to order succulents online. They do stop shipping in November though, so definitely get your orders in quickly if you don't live in an area where you can pick them up. So that's about it. I hope you guys have an awesome day. I will talk to you soon, and I'm going to include some pictures of the plants here. Bye!